Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You open the Facebook event and go straight to Management options. This saves time. First, confirm you are listed as host or co-host because only hosts can cancel. Once confirmed, click the three-dot menu or More on desktop or tap the overflow icon on mobile. You'll see options like Edit, Share, and Cancel Event. Choose Cancel Event to start the process. This is the first decisive step. Make sure you're on the correct event to avoid affecting the wrong group. Once you select Cancel Event, Facebook usually prompts for a reason. Choose the most accurate one to inform attendees. You should write a concise message explaining why you're canceling and include any follow-up like refunds, rescheduling, or contact details. Make sure to preview this message. Once sent, it notifies everyone. Also decide whether to delete the event entirely or keep it canceled for documentation. Deletion removes all traces, while a canceled event preserves comments and RSVP history for reference. Click Send or Confirm to notify attendees and finalize cancellation. You'll see a confirmation on screen. Once done, make sure attendees received the notice by checking attendee list status and recent activity. Refresh your browser or reopen the app if the event still shows as active. If the cancel option is missing, recheck host status, clear app cache, and update the app. If that fails, contact Facebook support with screenshots. This resolves permission bugs or notification delivery problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.